SEC gives the okay to Ethereum ETFs. Looks like we're gonna get Ethereum ETFs as soon as next Tuesday. What does this mean for the price of Ethereum? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at what's going on with Ethereum and the ETFs. As you can see, 3 firms are set to launch for Tuesday, and we're pretty bullish on what's gonna happen with Ethereum coming very soon. We even see the price of Ethereum, it is down relatively on the day, but on the week we're up a whopping 10%. And it looks like the rumors are true. We are going to have the Ethereum ETFs coming very soon. Ethereum ETFs are set to launch on July 23rd, creating a positive outlook among investors. The SEC is close to approving Ethereum ETFs with trading expectations to begin next week. Several leading financial institutions, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are in the race to secure approval and launch their Ethereum ETFs. In the past 24 hours alone, Ethereum has moved up 3% to $3.5 thousand, and trading volume up 3% to $19.37 billion. Here's the thing, guys. We saw this with the Bitcoin ETFs. The second the ETFs get live and approved, is going to cause the price of Ethereum to go absolutely bullish, and we might finally see a $5,000 Ethereum. Remember, at current point, at its all-time highs, we've seen it just under $5,000 at $4.6 thousand. And now, with all this money coming in for Ethereum and for the ETFs and countries loading up, this could be absolutely bullish for Ethereum, and we're pretty bullish on this. The community is bullish on this. It's very exciting. Overall, crypto market starting to look bullish again too. We're seeing green across the boards. Ethereum back in the close to the 3,500 range, Bitcoin back to $65,000 range, fear and greed index at a 58 neutral, slowly creeping back towards greed. We're looking very, very excited. There's some more, we were looking at the article early in the video, that SEC gives a go, and yet we see a confirmation that next Tuesday is set to release. There's also a plethora of tweets I want to go over and cover, starting over here. So breaking news, yesterday the Bitcoin ETF saw a large inflow in a month of $423 million. This is absolutely massive, very bullish. And imagine when Ethereum's there as well, we're going to see some similar numbers in terms of volume entering the Ethereum ETFs. That's pretty bullish. And we can see in 8 days until the biggest Bitcoin conference in the world. Are you prepared? And Donald Trump will be there, which is going to be absolutely massive. 1, for his campaign, but 2, because of what happened to him recently. That's going to be very crazy. It's going to cause the whole event to trend and hopefully pump a lot of the cryptos up with it. And then more news on ETF. Breaking news, Ethereum ETF inflow can hit 100 billion in first year from based off experts' opinions. That would be absolutely insane. Warning, you're underexposed. Ethereum loves a triangle, as many are bearish and look elsewhere. Ethereum is reaccumulating for 6 months. Huge rally is coming. Stay patient. Again, 6 reasons why Ethereum's gonna hit all-time highs. 1, BTC rose from 46 to 71,000 in 60 days after the ETF's launch. Ethereum has 20% of Bitcoin's open interest and trading volume in derivatives, indicating market interest. For BTC, a $1 inflow increased market cap is 8.33. 11 billion inflow led to $83 billion market cap increase. With Ethereum's deflationary nature and sacred reserves, the ETH could see a significant inflow. Conservatively estimate 20% of BTC's ETF inflows. Ethereum could reach $7,000 within 60 days of launch based on divergence parties. Realized capital to valuation ratio and market adjustments. Positive factors include ETH's greener perception of the deflationary aspect. Negative factors include potential large sell-offs of grayscale GETH. In conclusion, higher. So again, a prediction of $7,000 ETH 60 days after the Ethereum ETFs go live is pretty bullish. We see ETFs surpass $1 billion inflow over the last 3 days. Bulls are back. SEC has given the preliminary approval to at least 3 Ethereum ETF issuers starting trading next Tuesday. So it's absolutely bullish. Guys, that's not the only news, right? With the whole crypto market right now, with Donald Trump trending in the news, with Donald Trump being an advocate of crypto, and the big Bitcoin conference, and the Ethereum ETF, this is going to be absolutely bullish, not just for ETH, but the entire market. So if you want to see the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, as we post on this channel multiple times a day, every single day of the week. So if you want to stay tuned for more videos like this, smash that subscribe button down below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.